Good morning, class. Today, question number 9 of practice set 7.2, we are going to revise. We are going to study practice set 7.2. Question number 9. There are two variables, x plus y is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to 2. If only one variable you have, last week you studied, we get parallel line graph. But today you have two variable in the equation, non-zero variable. I need to make a table for this equation then. Let us make a table. Everyone will be busy now in the work, so that today itself we will complete this important graph, a question for 4 mark, linear equation graph. It is important even for further studies. The first column, I'll show x coordinate, y coordinate, xy. Minimum 3 values, maximum 5 values. Now the equation in class 9th A and 9th C, I have completed this specific example. So I told them directly you take x number, but today I'll show you that I can make it simple first. Suppose x plus y is equal to 2. You have this equation. So what I am going to do? First I am going to write it equation in the pattern of y is equal to ax plus b. Okay, so let us write y. X I will bring it on the other side as minus x plus 2. After I have arranged the equation y is equal to minus x plus 2, now take any number for x in the range of 0 to 5. Let us consider x number as a 0. So if I take x number 0, I get y number 2. First point coordinates we got in this graph 0, 2. First I have made the equation simple for y. Now the same equation I'll write y is equal to minus x plus 2. Now x number I am writing as 1. So 2 minus 1. When x is 1, 2 plus from that 1 you remove. You get 1 plus. So 1 and 1, the second set of solution for this equation. Now again 3 more values I want, the same equation, minus x plus 2. So this time I'll take 2 number, 2 plus and 2 minus becomes 0. So when x is 2, y is 0, 2, 0. All the students will be ready with the table. Okay, I am giving you table values. Y is equal to minus x plus 2. I have taken number like 0, 1, 2. Now I want number like negative. Minus 1 I am taking. Minus 1 at the place of x. So when I take minus 1, minus multiply become 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So here for x minus 1, we got y equal to 3. Minus 1 and 3. Fourth column. I have completed in this example minus 1, 3. And the last one. Y is equal to minus x plus 2. Let us write x number minus 2, but don't forget minus before writing minus 2. This will become plus 2 and plus 2 gives us 4. So when x you are taking minus 2, y number is got as 4. Minus 2 comma 4. These are the 5-point table I have made from the given equation. So all the students, first of all, complete table number 1. You all know, even ninth B also I have taken solved example of linear equation. First, we must be ready with the table work. So complete table number 1 of the equation x plus y is equal to 2 as you are observing on the board. Come on everyone, I will give you 2 minutes. I have taken equation x plus y is equal to 2, and for this equation x plus y is equal to 2, you are observing when the rearrangement is done by writing y on the left side, x on the right side. X become minus x plus 2. Then for x I have to take any number in the range like 0 to 5. I should take few positive number, few negative number and 0 also. So I got table number 1 completed. First we will complete all tables. 3 tables we have to show here, 3 equations we have to show here for question number 9. Hope so all students are completing. Let me observe them. Students have to complete the work. Show your table work. Graph should be ready and the table work should be ready. All students must be ready with this work. Those who did not understand in class, for them they have best opportunity to improve themselves in drawing the graph of linear equation. Come on, complete the work everyone. Very good. Pranav work is ready now. So everyone, I'll be coming back to table number 2. For 1 minute I'll wait now. At least you should be ready with the table because the same video you will get it after the class. First point has got coordinates like 0, 2. Second point 1, 1. Third point 2, 0. Fourth point minus 1, 3. Fifth point minus 2, 4. Let us start table number 2 now. Table number 2 we will begin. Of the same question, we have second equation in the same example, 3x minus y is equal to 0. 3x minus y is equal to 0. I want 5 point for the equation. So let us make a table for this equation. First line for x, second line for y, and third line for xy. First column, second column, third column, fourth and the fifth. We want 5 point. In class, without arranging the equation, I showed x and y number. Today I am arranging equation. 3x minus y, I will transfer y on the other side. So I get equation y is equal to 3x. Okay. Now I will check the numbers of x and y. Y is equal to 3x. First number I take for x 0. 3 into 0 it becomes 0. X number is 0. Y number is also 0. Second table started. It will be better that the students are doing along with me because it is simple work of solving equation. Now we have again the same equation for second point, for second coordinate. So I have y is equal to 3x. I'll take one number, 3 multiplied by 1 become 3. 1 and 3. Now I will take 3x, 3 multiplied by minus 1. Let us write here minus 1. 3 ones are 3, but minus 3. So we got our third point, minus 1 for x coordinate, minus 3 for y coordinate, minus 1 comma minus 3. Now point number 4 of this table, 3x, 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6. Here I get x coordinate 2, y coordinate 6, 2 comma 6. So it is easy to obtain the points from the simplified equation. 3x, now 3 into minus 2. Let us multiply 3 and minus 2. So when I multiply 3 and minus 2, it will give us minus 6, minus 2 and minus 6, minus 2 and minus 6. We got now 5-point table for second equation. This is our second equation. You can check your table. First point coordinates 0, 0 in the second, and second point 0, 3, third point minus 1, minus 3, fourth point 2, 6, and last point minus 2, minus 6. These are the coordinates of 5 points in the given example. Now all the boys and girls, after completing table number 1 and 2, the last table we will be preparing. The last one is 2x plus y is equal to 1. Minimum 3 points are sufficient, maximum 5 points. So we are trying table for the last equation. So we have the first column x, second column y, x comma y. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. 2x plus y is equal to 1. Today I am rearranging the terms in the equation. Y left side and right side I will take minus 2x plus 1. Term number 1 2x, it is taken on the other side as minus 2x. So in this equation I will try various numbers at the place of x. For example, y is equal to minus 2x plus 1. So x number is 0. 0 multiplied by 2 0 and plus 1 gives the answer 1. So when x is 0, here we get 0, 1. 0, 1 first point. 0, 1 first point we have got in the table. Now the same equation, 5 points, we want them. So in order to obtain this point number 2, the same equation, I'll take x number 1 minus 2 multiply by 1 plus 1. 2 ones are 2 but minus 2. And from minus 2, 1 you remove. It will give you minus 1. And we will write here when x is 1, y is minus 1. 1 and minus 1. Point number 2 of this equation we have completed. Minus 2x plus 1 minus 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1. 2 2s are 4 and plus 1. From minus 4, 1 you remove. From minus 4, if 1 is gone, it gives minus 3. So I'll write here x number 2, y number is minus 3. Minus 3, 2 comma minus 3 is the solution. Okay, now let us try fourth. Minus 2x plus 1. I have taken two positive number 1 and 2. Now I will take one negative number minus 1. Let us write minus 1 here plus 1. 2 ones are 2, but 2 minus in the multiplication become plus. 2 plus 1, 3. So here I write x number minus 1 and y number 3. Minus 1 and comma 3. And the last one I'll be taking minus 2. Student can take any number for x and y. Minus 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 minus become plus. 4 plus 1 gives the answer 5. So here x number minus 2, y number is 5. Minus 2 and 5. This is our table number 3. Now all tables are over. The important thing for learning the graph of linear equation is to make the table that I have taught you in school as well as in this class. So that if any student say don't understand, if any student has any doubt or difficulty, that I have tried to remove by explaining the equation and the tables for one more time. So all the three tables are ready with you. Let me check your tables now. All the boys and girls, show me the table work now. Are you ready with the three tables? Three tables we have completed. After completing three tables, now we are going to plot the points on the graph paper. So let us plot the points on the graph paper. So on one graph, we are going to complete three equations. Okay. So let us complete three equations now, everyone. So for this purpose, you need a graph paper. I'll take So this is the graph paper I have chosen. Here in the middle, I draw the line. Let us call it as X line. This is x-axis. Now I have to draw the y-axis. Let us draw y-axis now. I'll call it as y-axis. I'll show number in the middle. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here I'll take -1, -2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, let us take here 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. You will take the numbers on a graph paper. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 positive numbers above, 5 and 6. Negative numbers below. Let us take negative numbers below. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, I have taken numbers on x-axis and y-axis. Right side positive number on x-axis, negative numbers on the left side. Above positive numbers, below negative numbers. Now we are going to show three equations. Equation number 1 I'll show by blue color. Okay, because three equations are there. So to avoid the confusion, I am taking three different color for three equation. Let us see now points of the first table. What are the points? Students will write the point number also in their graph paper. Here I don't have space. 0, 2. The first point of the equation number 1, 0, 2. So it will be here 0, 2. Then the second point of the first table is 1, 1, 1, 1. Here it will be 1, 1. Then 2, 1. 2, 1 I think so. Let me check. 2, 0. It is 2, 0. Third point. 2, 0. 2, 0. Fourth point of table number 1, minus 1, 3. Minus 1, 3. Minus 1 here and 3 here. And the last one, minus 2, 4. Minus 2 here and 4 of y here. So all the 5 points you are getting on a line. That's why this equation is known as linear equation. I'll join them now. These are 5 points. I am going to join them. All the 5 points are joined together by means of a line. Let us call the equation of line. Equation number 1 is x plus y. What is this in the middle? Let me clear it. X-axis it is. And the equation name is x plus y is equal to 2. First equation I have plotted. You also plot, everyone. First equation is ready now. Let me check the class how they are drawing this important graph. All the 3 lines have been drawn by Piyush Sarda. Other students also will show the work now. First line we have completed. Now, like first line, we will try two more lines. Let us complete line number 2 and 3. So our line number 2 is 0, comma 0. I'll take different color this time as I told you earlier. 0, comma 0. This is the first point. 0, comma 0 at the origin. Then 1, comma 3. 1, comma 3. Second point of the second equation, 1, comma 3. Minus 1, minus 3. In the third quadrant, minus 1 and minus 3 here. Then you have fourth point of second table, 2, 6. In the first quadrant, 2, 6. Here it will be 2, 6. The last point will be minus 2, minus 6. This is your minus 2 and minus 6 in the third quadrant. So, all the 5 points, let us see whether they are on a line. If they are on a line, it means your work is correct. So, here I am going to join them. The 5 points, let us join them. This is our line number 2. Drawn up. Drawn up. Line number 2 is drawn. The name of this line is 3x minus y is equal to 0. The second equation. As the space is not there, that's why I have not shown numbers along with the point. But you can show point and the number. Two lines I have completed. X plus y is equal to 2 and 3x minus y is equal to 0. Now, the last line, 2x plus y is equal to 1. Hope so all the boys and girls are completing sincerely the work of plotting. It is a very important work in maths, algebra as well as geometry. 0, comma 1 now. I have to take 0, comma 1 here. Different color we have decided. 0, comma 1. Let me check white color. 0, comma 1. This will be on y-axis. 0, comma 1. 1, comma minus 1. 1 and minus 1. It will be in fourth quadrant. 1, comma minus 1. Then you have 2, comma minus 3. Again in the fourth quadrant, 2, comma minus 3. Then minus 1 and 3. Minus 1 and 3. It will be here. This is your minus 1 and 3 of first line. It can repeat on two lines, no problem. Minus 2 and 5. Minus 2 and 5. It will be here above. These are the 5 points. Let me take the scale. Let me bring them in a line. Yes, they are on a line. They are on a line. I want to join them together now. Let us join them. This is the third line I have plotted, running out of time. Let me call the equation name. Let me show the equation name. Equation name is 2x plus y is equal to 1. Now I should stop for 2 minutes. I have shown all the three equations and students will show me. I'll give the chance to everyone to speak also. The work for graph will be shown up now by the students. All the three equations I have plotted on a graph paper. Gauri Agrawal, 2 lines, you are ready. Come on, complete the third line. Yes, third line is also visible. You have completed, Gauri. Very good. Sayyid Aman and Lakshmi, show the graph notebook. Graph notebook you show. Come on, everyone. Rohini, she has completed all the 3 line graph work. Isha also has done. Hope so today, because when I was taking the same example in class, many more students were not getting the correct answer. Today, I hope no mistake is there in the graph. Shruti Gotral, very good. Other boys and girls, they should also do, so that you can understand the work in class only. Suppose, unfortunately, if the work is not done in the class, when I will send the videos, you study the video and complete it honestly and sincerely, so that you also get the benefit of learning how to draw the graph of linear equation. All the points of linear equation will be on a line. That's why we call it as linear. If 1 or 2 point you don't get on a line, it means you made mistake in calculation somewhere. You have to correct then the calculation, so that you obtain the points on a line. All other boys and girls, show on your cameras, show your notebook, how much you have completed the work related to the graph. We have very limited time now. Today one homework you will be completing. This chapter is over now. From problem set you have completed question number 1 and 2 as the first homework of this chapter. Today you are going to complete question number 3 and 4 of problem set number 7. 2 easy questions I am giving you. Question number 3 and 4. Sarthak has shown, I think, in the beginning. Bhavya, show your graph. Shruti has shown the work. Rohini has shown the work. Saurabh Misal, Soham, show your work. Shubham Pitti, Bhushan Rodia, Bhushan, show your graph. Ruchita, I think all boys and girls understood the work. How do we have to obtain the points for a given equation? When you have two variable equation x and y, non-zero variable, then it will require 5-point table. Okay, if you get one line, one variable equation, it means it is a parallel line graph. There you don't require a table work. Directly you draw a line parallel to x if it is equation of y. Draw a line parallel to y if it is equation of x. Okay. So I have taken all the work of a graph, either parallel line or linear equation or plotting, in this 1 month. Now there should remain no doubt with any student regarding the graph work. All the boys and girls, don't forget, today you have to complete question number 3 and 4 as a homework. Question number 3 and 4 from problem set number 7. And the remaining syllabus means chapter number 8, a very important and the new chapter class will learn, known as trigonometry, from tomorrow. So don't miss the class, don't remain absent. You have to attend the class from tomorrow for learning trigonometry in geometry. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day, everyone.